it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a full face of first impressions. This is actually not going to be a full face, so let me take that right back because I don't have a new foundation to try and I don't have something new for the eyebrows. So it's everything else is a first impression except those two things, and everything is super duper affordable. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. And I have a wig on today, which I really like. I'm letting my hair have a little bit of a heat break because I'm trying to grow it out. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the brows. I don't really have anything new for the brows. Actually, I'm lying, I do. I did not know I had this, I just found it. This is the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse. I thought I didn't have anything to try out for the brows, but I was wrong because I found this. So we are going to go ahead and try it. And this is in the shade dark brown. So you kind of twist the tip and the product comes out. It's like a brown mousse. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Ooh. I desperately need to get my brows done, so don't look at them too close. This is what the brow mousse looks like. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I am still going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm using the CoverGirl Soft Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and I am going to just fill in my gaps a little bit more because I feel like this was just a tint and not so much like just to fill it in. So the brows are pretty much done for now. So Profusion Cosmetics, they sent me a bunch of stuff, so I am going to use everything that they sent me. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. They just sent me all this stuff and I want to take advantage and use it in a video. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the concealer kit. Let me see if I can open it up. This is what the kit looks like. It's super cute. On this side we have the concealers and it comes with two brushes. And then on this side, we have some setting powders and contour shades and some bronzing shades. So I'm gonna go ahead, and take the concealer brush. I'm gonna take the concealer brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Light, this shade right here. And I am going to use this as my eyelid primer to prime my eyelids and to also clean up my brows. So now taking the fluffy brush that came in that palette, I'm going to go into the light highlight shade, which is the more yellow shade, and I'm going to take that with that brush and I am going to set my lid where we applied that concealer. So I am going to take this and set it into place. So they sent over so many eye palettes that I have no idea which one I am going to use. We have this one, which is called the Eyes and Cheek palette. So this one brings blushes and some eye colors. And then we have the Natural palette, which this one is just a bunch of neutral shades. I really like this one. And then they also sent over this Mixed Metals Peach palette, which looks like this. I think that I am going to use the Naturals palette, which looks like this. I believe these are available at Target. This is like brand new to Target, so I'm excited for that. Wow, and it smells really nice, and it does bring a nice brush. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shade Likeable, which is this shade right here. I think this would be a really pretty kind of like transition shade. I'm gonna take it with the brush that came in the palette. And I am going to work this in the crease as my transition shade. I'm going to go into the shade Doll, which is a little bit more brown, whereas this one has a little bit more yellow. So I'm going to take Doll right here with the same brush, and I'm going to put this in my crease as well. And I'm not going to be too precise with this. I'm just going to kind of put this all over my entire lid. I'm not being too precise. I kind of want this all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and take it a step darker, and I'm going to go into the shade Outgoing, which is this really pretty kind of orangey shade right here. And again, I'm going to take that same brush. This shade, I'm taking it in the same places, but I'm keeping it a little bit lower. So I'm starting out here in the outer corner into circular motion so that it blends upwards and then towards that inner corner, keeping it nice and low in the crease. I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and a little bit more of Doll. And I am just going to blend out the edges to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. I'm going to go ahead and take the color Zing, which is this shade right here. Again, we're getting a little bit darker and darker as we go. So I'm going to take that Zing shade and I am going to pack this right here in the outer corner. And again, moving it upwards just a tiny bit towards that crease. But I'm really focusing that color in the outer corner. I'm going to go in with that same brush and I'm going to take the shade Cozy, which is the darkest brown from the palette, this one right here. And I am going to take this with that same brush, and this color I am only going to place it in the outer corner, right in here, and blend it just a little bit upwards, but most of the color is in the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade Outgoing, and I am just going to place this in the crease just to kind of blend out those edges. I'm going to go ahead and take a shader brush. This one's from Crown Brushes, again, super inexpensive. I'm going to go ahead and take a mixture of the shade Doll and the shade Likeable. I'm going to take a mixture of those two, and I am going to put this all over my lid. Also going to take it right here into that inner corner of the eye. So all over the lid and then in the inner corner, right in here. I'm going to go ahead and take a flat definer brush with a little bit more of that Cozy shade, which is that dark brown. And I am going to line my top lash line. Whoop. I am going to line my top lash line using this shadow. So right here. So I am going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow in the shade Daybreak. Shake it up because it does have kind of like an oily consistency. And this is just going to give your foundation kind of like a luminous glow. For foundation, I am going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation. Now this is a super dewy foundation, so if this is not what you're into, I definitely recommend their matte and poreless, but today I want to do something that's a little bit more hydrated and a little bit more dewy, so I'm going to go ahead and use this, and I'm going to start right here in the center of my face and work it in. Going back into the concealer palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Light once again. I'm going to take that light shade and I am going to apply this under the eyes. And I'm also going to use this to clean up that eyeshadow. So I like to just draw a line out and then bring the concealer down. And that's just going to clean that up and make it really nice and sharp and cut eye-ish. Also gonna take that, apply it right here and right here in the middle of the forehead and then down the bridge of the nose. And then I'm gonna go back in with that beauty sponge and blend this in. The concealer blends it out really nice. It is very creamy. It's a really creamy concealer and it does have really nice coverage. It's kind of like a medium to full coverage. It's definitely not a light coverage concealer at all. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set it into place, and I'm going to go in with that light highlight shade again, and I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to work that in there like so. I'm going to get that shade, and I am okay. So the concealer is creasing a ton. Can you see that? So I'm going to make sure that this is blended out before I go ahead and set it. So okay, so I don't know what is going on, but my concealer and the powder, they're just not really mixing well together, and it's just breaking up. Can you see that in my nose? It's kind of breaking up a little bit. And I don't know, I look like a mummy. Like, it's super duper, this doesn't look good. Okay, so I'm gonna bake my under eyes. Can you see that? It looks so weird. So I'm gonna bake it and hopefully it fixes it up a little bit, because that powder, it did not work for my under eyes. It just made my under eyes look a little bit too dry. So I'm gonna set it, and I'm setting it with some Coty Airspun. So I'm gonna apply that on the areas where I applied that powder. Hopefully it kind of melts everything into the skin. I'm gonna take the medium bronzer, which is this one right here, and I am going to take that and kind of bronze up the skin. I'm going to go into the blush palette, and I'm going to take these two middle shades. They look super cute and they smell really good. And I'm going to just apply this right here in the apples of the cheek. So now that I'm looking at my skin a little bit better, I do think the concealer is just the thing that's not working out for me, because on the other areas where I applied the powder, it looks really pretty, but in the areas where I applied the concealer, it just does not look good. I think the eyeshadow looks really, really pretty, and the blush is really pretty, the contour is really nice, but just this area right here, it does not look good. So you can see that. So we're gonna go ahead and move on, and we're gonna try to work it at the end. Hopefully it comes together. So I'm taking the Strobe and Glow palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Glazed, which is a really pretty kind of gold shade, and I'm gonna take it with that brush that came in the palette. Okay, let's move that, and I'm gonna place it right here. Ooh, that's actually very, very pretty. That's actually a really pretty shade. Very, very pretty, and it's not accentuating my texture, which is always a plus. It is a little bit on the glittery side, but it's still really, really pretty. Ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna take some of that down the bridge of the nose, right here on the Cupid's bow, on the chin. And then I'm going to take a little bit down here in the center and some here. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. I don't have a mascara from Profusion to try, so I'm just going to go ahead and try this. I have been loving this mascara lately, so I'm just going to use this. By the way, I am not doing anything to my lower lashes. I'm going to leave them nice and bare because I kind of been liking that look recently, so I'm going to do just that. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. These are the OG lashes in the style 93. Alrighty, you guys, so the only thing left to do are the lips. I'm going to go ahead and start off by lining my lips using the Nude Intrigue lip liner. Then I'm going to fill in my lips using the Matte Nude Liquid Cream, Lip Cream. Oh, this is a pretty color. I like this color. I love this color. And then I'm going to do the Metal Matte Lip Cream, Metal Nude, in the center to add some dimension. Alrighty, so I'm going to quickly fix my hair and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the completed look. I'm looking at myself in the mirror just in case I have some final thoughts. And I do have some final thoughts. I do have to say that there are definitely some hits and there are definitely some misses that I have tried today. So love the eyes. I think the highlight looks really pretty. As you can see, it doesn't accentuate my texture, which I really like, and it has such a beautiful glow, like a healthy glow to the skin, but it's still really nice and metallic. Love the lips. The one thing that I am just not a fan of is the concealer, and that tends to happen to me whenever I do a creamier concealer, something that's in a pot instead of something that comes in a wand. I can't use those concealers because just my under eyes look extremely dry. So other than that, I really liked everything, even my fake hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. You better do it. I'm watching. I can tell when you subscribe and you don't subscribe. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, even though my schedule has been a little bit crazy lately and my uploads have just been all over the place. I promise that slowly but surely they will start coming every Wednesday and Sunday. So thank you for watching. I love you and I'll see you soon. Mwah.